The witch's hat is the great rumour of the pharaohs. The pharaohs were very naughty, and so the evil witch dragged the islands away from the Norse lands out into the North Sea. And when she got so deep that only her hat was showing, that's where the island stayed. And there is the witch's hat.
Here I am, and within the reach of my hand, she's sound asleep, and she's sweeter now than the wildest dream could have seen her. And I watch her slipping away, but I know I'll be hunting high and low. There's no end to the lengths I'll go to, hunting high and low. There's no end to the lengths I'll go to find her again. Upon this my dreams are depending. Through the dark I sense the pounding of her heart next to mine. She's the sweetest love I could find, so I guess I'll be hunting high and low. There's no end to the lengths I'll go to, high and low. Do you know what it means to love you? I'm hunting high and low, and now she's telling me she's got to go away. I'll always be hunting high and low. Only for you, watch me tearing myself to pieces, hunting high and low. There's no end to the lengths I'll go to. We'll all be hunting high and
Okay, here we are in the extreme far north of Greenland, and we're at Keebird. Keebird was about 85 degrees north, and we just landed at Keebird, which is there in the ice, and filmed it. That's a bit of a run. We got enough gas to get back. So, what is this? The 14th of July, and we have landed at Keebird, which is the far north of Greenland. Pretty amazing, really. And here's our trusty machine that's done it all. R66. Just a dream chaser, a magic carpet, a luxury first-class seat, window seat on the world. Ah, clickety-click.